Hello to all you healthy food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of kefir and finding out what happens to our bodies when we drink it every day for 30 days. Kefir is a fermented milk drink, full of probiotics, vitamins and minerals. But what does it actually do for us? Firstly, within the first week you might notice an improvement in your digestion. The probiotics in kefir help balance the gut bacteria, reducing bloating and regulating bowel movements. No more tummy troubles. By the end of the second week, you might feel a boost in energy. The B vitamins and high-quality protein in kefir provide a constant source of fuel for your body. You'll have energy like Harry Kane on the pitch. In the third week, your immune system might get a significant boost. The probiotics in kefir improve gut health, which is directly linked to a stronger immune response. You might notice that you catch colds less often or fight off infections more quickly. Colds will steer clear of you. By the end of the month, some people notice an improvement in their skin. Kefir's nutrients, like biotin and lactic acid, can support skin hydration and regeneration. Your complexion will be as radiant as the morning sun. Additionally, if you're trying to lose a few pounds, kefir can help regulate your appetite and metabolism, thanks to its high protein and probiotic content. So, if you're considering a 30-day kefir challenge, it could be a real revolution for your gut, immunity, energy levels, and even your skin. Remember, consistency is key. Give it a try and see how your body reacts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more nutritional tips. See you later.